Hello students, today we are going to learn Indian system of numeration. This topic is generally coming in 5th standard and ad, uh, and the implementation of this is generally seen in even in 6th and 7th standard. So mainly this topic is for 5th standard, but the students of 6th and 7th standard can also take the advantage of this video. So let us learn what is Indian system of numeration. First of all, while learning the Indian system of numeration, you should know the Indian place value chart. See, the Indian place value chart, it looks like this. Now starting from the right side, there will be different periods. The first period consisting of 3 places, that is O for ones, T for tens, H for hundreds. Here one period gets over. Then the second period comes 1000, TH for 1000, TTH means 10,000. Then the third period comes, that is of lakh. This period. This is the period of lakhs. That is lakh and 10 lakh. Then the period of crore comes. Crore and 10 crore. So total you can see there are 4 periods like this. Okay. This first period is known as ones. This second period is known as thousands. And this third period is known as the period of lakhs, and the last period, that is this period, is known as the period of crores. So it goes like this: ones, thousand, lakhs and crores. In ones there will be 3 places: ones, tens, hundred. Then in the thousand period you will be having 2 places, 1000 and 10,000. Then in the lakh places we will be having lakh and 10 lakh. Then in the crore we are having 2 places, crore and 10 crore. So this system is called as Indian place value system. You have to remember like this: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now generally whenever a number is given, they are asking to place it in the Indian place value chart and also write that number along with the commas according to Indian place value system. So how we can place the particular number in the Indian place value chart as well as put the commas? First of all, you can see this number. Let us take these 4 examples so that you can understand what is Indian place value system and how to write a particular number in the Indian place value chart and put the commas in that particular number. So the number is 527864. Okay, so see, whatever the number is given, what you have to do is you have to start from the right hand side and start giving the places. Like this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Always start from the right hand side. Okay, 10,000, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. It means the number is arranged like this in the place value chart. Then you have to put the commas. So how you have to put the commas? Where the one period is getting over, at that place you have to put the commas. So here this ones, tens, hundred is coming in one period. So before 8 you have to put the comma. Okay, it means after 7. Okay, because here one period is getting over. Then 1000 and 10,000 का आपका एक पीरियड होगा. तो ये पीरियड कंप्लीट हो रहा है तो इसके बाद हम एक कॉमा लगाएंगे. इसका मतलब कॉमाज आपको हर पीरियड के ओवर होने के बाद में लगाने हैं. तो आप ऐसे याद रख सकते हो कि इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम में लास्ट में 3 डिजिट्स को छोड़ के आपको कॉमा प्लेस करना है. उसके बाद 2 डिजिट्स को छोड़ के आपको कॉमा प्लेस करना है, क्योंकि लास्ट वाला जो हमारा पीरियड है इसमें ही आपके पास 3 प्लेसेस हैं, बाकी सारे पीरियड्स में 2 प्लेसेस हैं. फाइन. सो द नंबर is placed along with the commas. It is along with the commas I have written. Now you have to read this number. So how you will be reading this number? 5 लाख. ओके, वो नंबर जिस प्लेस पे है ना आपको उसके साथ रीड करना है, क्योंकि वर्ड्स में भी लिखने का हमसे पूछा जाता है एग्ज़ाम में. तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? 5,27,000 पीरियड इज़ देयर, सो 27,000. 5,27,000. 8 is on the position of 100, so 864, because 6 is on the tens position and 4 is on the ones position. So I'll be writing in words 5,27,864. Fine. So this is what is given here. Okay, you can see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. यहाँ पे नंबर लिख दिया है, फिर कॉमास प्लेस करे हैं हर पीरियड की कंप्लीट होने के बाद में, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. नेक्स्ट नंबर को अगर हम देखें तो इट विल बी लाइक वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000 एंड 10,000. ओके, सो यहाँ पे कॉमा आ जाएगा, आपका एक पीरियड कंप्लीट हो रहा है, और फिर यहाँ पे कॉमा अब नहीं आएगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई भी नंबर हमारे पास नहीं है. तो इसको रीड कैसे करेंगे? 95,432. 95,432. नेक्स्ट नंबर वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, now you have to place the comma after every period, after 3 digits, 2 digits and 2 digits. Okay, so this chart you have to remember. ये तो आपको याद रखना ही पड़ेगा, इसके अलावा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. Now let us read this number. 1,89,50,49. ओके, देखो 100 की प्लेस पे 0 है तो उसका कोई भी प्रोनाउंसिएशन नहीं आएगा. ओके, अगेन आई एम रीडिंग द नंबर 1,89,50,49. ओके, वी आर लिविंग दिस बिकॉज 100 प्लेस इज एम्प्टी. So this was all about the third one. Let us see the fourth one. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Okay, you have to place the commas after 3 digits. So इधर कॉमा आ जाएगा आपका, वंस पीरियड कंप्लीट हो गया, 1000 का पीरियड कंप्लीट हो गया, लैख का पीरियड कंप्लीट हो गया एंड करोड़ का पीरियड स्टार्ट हो गया. तो इस तरीके से आपके कॉमाज आ जाएंगे. नाउ यू हैव टू रीड दिस नंबर 7 करोड़. ओके, नाउ सी लैख एंड 10 लाख की पोजीशन एम्प्टी है तो उसे कुछ भी रीड नहीं करेंगे. जहाँ पे 0 होता है ना प्लेस पे, वहाँ पे आपको रीड करना ही नहीं है क्योंकि आप कर ही नहीं सकते, वहाँ पे एम्प्टी है, 0 है. 7 करोड़, अगेन दिस इज़ एम्प्टी, छोड़ दो इसको. 7 करोड़ 2,509. 509. अगेन आई एम रीडिंग 7 करोड़, दिस इज़ एम्प्टी, दिस इज़ एम्प्टी. 2,509. Okay, so here all the numbers are placed properly in the place value chart. Even I have shown how to write the numbers along with the commas, and even in this video we have seen how to write in words if the numbers are given, and you have to write in Indian place value system. So I hope everybody have understood properly how to write a given number in the Indian place value chart along with the commas, and how to write a given number in words in case of they are asking Indian system of numeration. I hope everybody understood and cleared all the concepts of Indian place value system. If you really enjoyed my video and understood it properly, please give it a like, share among your friends and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.